Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili con carne step by step. Start by prepping ingredients. Chop onion finely, mince garlic, and measure spices. Heat a large pan over medium heat and add oil. Sear the minced beef until browned, breaking it into small pieces. Add onion and garlic, cook until soft. Stir in spices, then pour in tomatoes and simmer gently while you prepare beans and rice. Warm and friendly tip: simmering builds depth, so be patient and taste as you go. After toasting spices with the meat, pour in canned tomatoes and a splash of stock if needed. Reduce heat to low and let the sauce bubble gently, which concentrates flavors. If it thickens too fast, add a little water. Simmering for 20 to 30 minutes will marry the spices and create a robust, comforting chili. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker I used here adds music and timers while you cook, making hands-free steps much easier. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals that might help in your kitchen. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Finish confidently. Once the sauce is rich, fold in kidney beans and warm them through. Taste for seasoning and brighten with a little lime juice if it needs lift. If you like heat, add extra chili powder or chopped fresh chili at the end. Serve portions over rice or with warm tortillas and offer grated cheese or sour cream on the side. This makes a hearty meal that feeds friends or a hungry family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.